Okay, guys, let's get serious. I know you have dreams and you would love to make them your reality. That's why I'm here to help you out, to help you be the CEO of your own life. But I'm also here to give you some tips. And today I really want to talk about dreams versus goals, or actually, how one is connected to another. Well, hello, you. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Katy, and I'm an European based coach helping women entrepreneurs, managers, and coaches achieving their full potential, gaining on the path of success, and becoming the CEO of their own lives. We all have dreams that we would like to actually be our reality. We also set ourselves goals that we truly want to achieve. Somebody asked me a while ago, is there actually a difference between a dream and a goal? Of course there is, but it's not actually about how much they differ. It's more about how they are complementary to one another. Dream is something that we have while we sleep, but it's also something that we very often think about in the daylight. Even when we're working, we have those daydreams sitting and wondering about what ifs and what we could do, what we could achieve, and all those things are your dreams. Hidden somewhere in your head, it's connected with plenty of emotions about really, really wanting to be, have, and live that kind of dream life. Goals, on the other side, are more strict. We are all told that goals should be smart when we set them. They have to be achievable, measurable. They have to really mean something. They have to be very specific. They have to have deadline and plenty of details around that. Unfortunately, we always think that goals are only connected with career, with our work, with how we do, how we behave at work, if we achieve that budget, if we're actually doing things towards achieving the goal. And then when we gain something for the company and achieve the goal for the company, the one that we got set at the beginning of the year, we receive a bonus. But I want to tell you that in your life, you can also set yourself goals. It works simply this way. The example of your dream house, right? You have a dream house. There is a house that you would really like to have. You know exactly how it looks like. You know exactly how it makes you feel. And you even did the exercise of writing down all the details of the house regarding the windows, what is outside, what is inside, how it all looks like, how many cars you can fit in the garage, how many people can come for the sleepover, how many family members or family parties you can organize in there, and how many people your living room and dining room can fit. This dream is something also that you can achieve. I've read this several times on different pages, on different social media, that whatever your mind is creating, whatever type of dream is just sticking in here, you can achieve it. But it will be good actually to have help from goal setting point of view. What would you actually need to have that dream house? What kind of steps, little goals you need to achieve to finally move into your dream house, or to build it, or to create it? Let me give you this simple path. First thing is that you have a dream and you really want it. You need to be as specific as possible. What is the outcome? What is a dream, or what is the goal? What is the outcome of the whole process that you want to have in the end? Is it being somebody? Is it achieving something? Is it living in a certain space? Is it looking in a certain way? All details are important. Then you need to assess where you are. What is your current situation? For the dream house, okay, you want to have your dream house, but right now you're living in the cohabitants space. It is your starting place. So from living in this kind of cohabitants until having your own house, there is a path that you need to go through. Yes, one of the things is to know exactly what you want to achieve, But also another thing is the little steps that you need to go through, little goals set that you need to achieve in order to live your dream, to live in your dream house. Making a step plan, to achieve your goals, to live your dreams is crucial. If you do not know what you want and where you are, you will never know how and what is on the path in between. So no matter what is going on, I want you to think about how simply to get from place A, when you are now, to place B, where is your dream. Write down all the steps, all the things that comes to your mind, list it, and then put it in the chronological way. What you can achieve already right now, what you will achieve in the next week, what you will achieve in the next month, what you will achieve in the next year, to come nearer and nearer to your dream. Once you get all this, you will see the path. Now, the only thing you can do is to take action. No matter what, no matter where, no matter how you're gonna do it, you have to move away from the couch. You need to move your ass and do it. Take action. If you need to take a loan, go to the bank, check what are the conditions. If you need to actually earn more money, go and ask for the raise, change your job, ask for a new job, go for something different, do another shift, gain more money. Think about that, cut on your costs, whatever it is there to be done, whatever those little steps that you wrote down are saying, start taking action on it. I know it's not easy, and especially it's not easy when you're alone in that. But that's why I'm here. I can help you out, and I'm very happy to have a quick call with you to understand what is your goal, where are you right now, and how I can help you on the path to achieve your dream life, to live in your dream house, to simply live the life of your dreams and achieve the goals.